Hey guys, so we're back for another sound test, and now with the BQ EYZ Spring 1. So I haven't reviewed the BQ EYZ earphone yet, but we have the flagship with the Spring 1. So it has a piezo driver on top, and that is a really pretty interesting combination there. So we're gonna compare it with the TFZ number 3. It's in the same price range. Which one do you want? Let me know down in the comments below. I did find, of course, the TFZ number 3 to be more bassy, more warm compared to the Spring 1. So the Spring 1 is definitely more brighter on top. So let's have the sound test now.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.